Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. In today's shortcut tutorial, we will learn how to add transitions between two, three clips. You see, we have now in our timelines several type of clips here, one, two, three, and we have to add transition between. And most of people hung up when they are beginners and first time they try to edit video inside shortcut. In the last tutorial, we added text and we have our timeline overview. Go to our playlist and see, and it will help you a lot to understand the UI of shortcut. You see here we have clip. It's not like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Cadence Live. Very easily you can add transitions in a very traditional way. But here in shortcut there is a other type of tips where you can very easily add transitions. You see we drag this. We have two clips here. From here or from this side, you tag this clip. You see here, and you have to overlap. Then you can make gap between two clips. You see now we have transitions here. We can make more. We can give to not okay, and we have now we have more space here, and we have given a space for transitions between these clips. When we clip here, you have to come always here. You see here properties. Every time this property, remember, you come here and it will appear like this here. Now the default is always here dissolve. Could cross dissolve. This is cross dissolve. Actually this is always default in any video editing software. You will find this cross dissolve. You see this beautiful dissolve. But we want to add other type of transitions. So we will come here, just click here, and you see here we have transitions, all type of transitions. You see here custom, bar horizontal, bar verticals. You read here bar dur horizontal. There are lots of very decent transition in shortcut. Here bar dur diagonal, SWNE, southwest, northeast, like in direction, it's in direction. Here we come here, we have to drag here. You see here, you see box button, box bottom left. Here you see this box right center, clock top. We come here first, we'll drag here, we take any first transitions from here. For example, I want to take this bar horizontal. We'll just click here. Once you click from here, you can play. No, you will see transition on our video. See this transition. In the same way, when you come here, we just take play head here, and we can take a bar door horizontal. Now our transition will be horizontal. We just play and see here. You see this transition. In the same way, we can take any other transitions here. We iris circle. If I want iris circle, so I will take iris circle here. See this iris. Very decent. These are transitions you can add between. It's a totally free and open source video editing software, very stable, and so you can work in this very optimized. You can cooperate, donate for more further development of transition shortcut. You see here, in this way you can add here transition. If this video is helpful, dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Say your one subscription motivates me a lot, and comment, write suggestion, what do you want, and share these channels to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. So we come here, we check this clock top. We'll take here and we will click here clock top here. You see in this way clock top. From here you can come. You can decrease, increase the gap transition. Like we can make bigger like this. You see, it depends upon how much you have overlap on the video, because when you overlap, it gives you a space for transitions. If you overlap more here, and it will be more space for transition. When it overlap will be shorter, your transition will be shorter. But once you have maximum overlap here, you see, I can't increase more, but I can decrease, because we have space for decreasing overlap here. You see, in this way you can make shorter transition. Your transition will be shorter from here. In the same way you can drag and make shorter. You can make very, no, our transition will be very short. It will be not visible so clearly. You see such a transition. So if you want long transitions, you just overlap more from here some frame, and it will give you transitions here. So in this way I will just make more, because it's a more beautiful transitions here. Now I will play. See, really in this way in shortcut you can add transition. The same way we come here, this clip, I want to add transitions. We will make a space like this way. You see, I have overlap video in each other. In the shortcut, in the same way, this is the only way, the best way to add transition. Matrix waterfall. I want to add this matrix waterfall transition. It will be very beautiful matrix waterfall transition. You see here, in this way it will be transition will be visible. When we come here, and we have some property for transitions here. It's a very important to know. You see invert, we can invert transition will be other side, it will be opposite. You see the effect, like in this way transition will be. But preview and invert, always remember, you can change the direction of transition from here. So I will click here, it will be now preview in this side, and you can add softness. You see in this way you can make harsh transition like this. Here we can remove interwipe, like it will be invert wipe on every transitions. When you click there, a property will appear here. In the same way, you see here invert wipe here, and software. When we come here, we can add softness to our transitions. Okay, and this is actually the audio transition will also automatically edit. So we can here add like a crossfade, it's no, and we can do like mix. It will be mix transition. You can add like more quantity, bigger, smaller. You can add to your audio transition. And I use this crossfade. This is default. It's okay for me. Actually, this is the in this way you can add several type of transition. But one there is very important things. When you come here in transition box, you see here get custom transition on our website. It means it's a community. It has a wide audience and kind of big community to shortcut because it's a respected video editing software in open source. You'll just click here and you see from here you can check various type of transitions are appear here. Here you see come here and video, image. From here animation you can get, image, texture keying, various type of materials for video editing you need here. Transitions, shorter user contributes, you can contribute on GitHub. Kitten Life Git Mat transition can be used here. From here you can get a transition. You have to just explore and you will find, for example, some materials I need for animations. You can take when we click on this website, you see such type of animation. You can directly drag to your clips and you can use in your video editing software. Such type of materials, various type of transitions are available. Text are available here. From here you can get. Dear friend, we meet in the next class. Don't forget to subscribe and share this to your those friends. So to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.